Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy.
Economic clues can look sneaky, but this one is fast. Read the data, connect unemployment to the economy's position, and lock the correct choice. First, find the unemployment rate from the data they gave you, because that number is the key signal here, and everything else depends on identifying whether joblessness is unusually high. Next, compare that unemployment rate with the natural rate of unemployment, because if actual unemployment is higher than the natural rate, the economy's producing below full employment. That gap below full employment means a recessionary gap, so the economy is underperforming, and option B is the correct answer here. Well done! Option B. Scan now, watch signs, avoid rush. Trust the information and check the steps, because unemployment above the natural rate signals recessionary.